In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a shared document in Google Drive. Whether you're collaborating with a team or just making a few adjustments to a shared file, Google Drive makes editing simple, seamless, and efficient. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to plotfulldrive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, enter your Google account credentials. Make sure it's the same account that has access to the shared document. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Drive homepage where all your personal files and folders are displayed. Now, take a look at the left-hand menu and click on Shared with Me. This section contains all the files and documents that other people have shared with you. It's a convenient way to keep your collaborative projects separate from your personal ones, making it easy to find what you need. Browse through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the document you want to edit. Once you've found it, right-click on the file. A small menu will appear. Hover over Open With, and then select Google Docs from the options. Your document will now open in Google Docs, which is Google's built-in editing tool. Here's the best part. Google Docs automatically saves every change you make in real time. That means there's no need to hit save or worry about losing progress if your browser refreshes or your computer restarts. As you edit, you might notice other collaborators working in the same file. Google Docs will show their profile icons or colored cursors so you can see exactly who's making which changes. This makes it perfect for teamwork. Everyone can contribute, leave comments, or suggest edits without confusion. You can also format text, insert images, or adjust layouts just like in a traditional word processor. Every edit you make will instantly sync to the shared document, ensuring all collaborators see the most up-to-date version. When you're done editing, simply close the tab. Your changes are already saved. If something doesn't appear updated right away, just refresh the page and everything will sync automatically, and that's it. You've successfully edited a shared document in Google Drive. This simple process helps you collaborate smoothly, stay organized, and keep projects moving without needing to download or re-upload files. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and practical Google Workspace tips. I'll see you in the next video, helping you make the most of your digital tools one step at a time.